This first floor sequence shows a typical installation of the Owens Corning code board exterior air barrier system with and without OSB, with brick cladding. Install a layer of Owens Corning 3.5-inch foam sealar compressible ceiling gasket beneath the 2x4 sill plate anchored to top of concrete foundation wall. Build first floor platform. Staple a layer of Owens Corning 3.5-inch foam sealar compressible ceiling gasket along the perimeter of the rim joist. Build first floor wall structure. Staple a layer of 3.5-inch foam sealar compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings. For a 9-foot foam board application, install 4x9-foot Foamular code board insulating sheathing boards vertically over wall framing and attach to framing using appropriate nails with washers. Tape all joints using Owens Corning joint sealar tape approved for use over Foamular code board XPS foam sheathing. Taping the shipped lap joints is optional, but will improve the overall airtightness performance. Lift wall into place. Complete nailing along rim joist to ensure proper compression of ceiling gasket, and tape corner joints of all walls. Add a bead of caulking sealant along top of foundation wall and install flashing. Tape the top of flashing to the foam board using flash sealar tape. When using OSB as an intermediate sheathing layer, install compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and at the bottom of the rim joist. Install OSB and then install a second layer of compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and at the bottom of the rim joist over the OSB. Install code board insulation, tape all joints, caulk the top of the rim joist, and install flashing as per the 9-foot application. For an 8-foot wall application, install compressible ceiling gasket around all window and door openings and at the bottom of the rim joist. Install 4x8-foot Foamular code board insulating sheathing boards vertically over wall framing. Tape all joints. Install foam header insert and nail the horizontal joints in the foam board. Tape all joints and corners using joint sealar tape. Install flashing as per the 9-foot application. Install brick ties and masonry to finish walls. Install EcoTouch pink fiberglass bat insulation and vapor barrier on the inside of the wall assembly.